5 things you do that hurt your cat's feelings. 1. Yelling or loud noises. Cats are sensitive to loud sounds, which can startle or scare them, causing anxiety and stress. 2. Ignoring their needs for attention. Cats can feel neglected if they don't receive enough affection and interaction, leading to feelings of loneliness. 3. Punishing them physically. Physical punishment, like hitting or pushing, can cause fear and mistrust, damaging your bond with your cat. 4. Disrupting their routine. Cats thrive on routine. Sudden changes in their environment or daily schedule can cause confusion and stress. 5. Not respecting their space. Forcing attention or handling your cat when they want to be left alone can make them feel overwhelmed and upset. Remember, a happy cat makes for a happy home. Take good care of your fur babies.